So you click this video because you want to be like Boywithuke? Well, guess what? Lesson has already begun. You don't show your face, except for this part down. Nobody will know who you are. You can be famous, and nobody will even know you. Nobody can even guess. Maybe your ethnicity, but that doesn't even matter. Step 2. Step 2 is pretty obvious. You want to make sure you play guitar. Yeah, that's right.
Dude, what are you talking about? It's Boywithuke. It's not supposed to be boy with guitar. What are you talking about?
Oh, I mean, boy with guitar, you know? I mean...
No, seriously, it's boy with... It's...
Oh, no, boy... Please, no!
So obviously, you want to play ukulele. You're Boywithuke, not boy with guitar, okay? And come up with a cool mask so you never have to show your face. Only wear hoodies. That is step number 3. It doesn't matter what kind of hoodie. White, blue, or black. And now the next step. Find a mask or a helmet that everybody will love and want to buy. That is going to be good for your business, especially in the future. And people are going to watch you more because you look cool, you know? I mean, look at this. Ta-da! You want this. Be me. All right, next step. You're a sad person now. You sing about sadness and love. Even if you're happy and in love, you're sad. You can be sad about it all the time. You know what chords are sad? E minor. Some stuff like this. You know what I'm talking about? You want to be like, 2 moons, I'm so sad, now I am tired. You're sad.
You also want to occasionally make some singing videos like this, showing this part of your face, getting really close, teasing all the people like, oh, I might see his face reveal, question mark, I don't know. And then having your mask in the background because you're obviously not going to show them your real face. And then you play them a little ditty and make them relate to you. I was in high school and I met a girl. She broke my heart and she crushed my world. Yeah. And that's just a little minute-long song, and then you end up adding some stuff to it, make it all epic and lo-fi, and people are like, oh my gosh, Boywithuke, he's amazing. Next step.
This step is important. You always want to tease the face reveal, but never, ever give it away. You got to do something like this.
Oh, just kidding, you guys can't see.
Or even like this.
You thought. Ha!
And then you can get even more creative and do stuff like this. Or even something like this. Make it all dramatic. Guys, I can't take it anymore. I'm tired of the secret. Boywithuke actually is
Spider-Man! You'll never see my face. Now that you have the mask, you've got the hoodie, you've got the ukulele, it's time to share your songs and let people wish that they were you and want to buy your mask and listen to your music and be all sad and wear hoodies and do all that stuff. So here we go, guys. It's time to be Boywithuke with our new hit song, Nightmares. I know you love me, and I know you care. I get bombarded by despair. Oh, I have dreams of kissing you, then you're gone. Leaves me missing you and wondering what went wrong. It's just dreams, it's not real. It's just dreams. It's just nightmares. guys enjoyed learning how to be Boywithuke. Yeah, it's been a good time, and I hope you guys go become your own Boywithukes. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out from Spidey Uke, or yeah, Spidey Uke.